गोंयच्या आवाजांसान सगळ्यांक नमस्कार. Today is International Labour Day, also known as May Day, कामगार दिवस. ह्या दिसा we recognize the contribution of all the workers across the world, and we also are made aware and make them aware about the exploitation of the workers. हाचे फाटल्यान एक ल्हानशी हिस्ट्री आसा. If you recollect, in the 19th century, somewhere around 1886, that was the era of industrialization. World over, ह्यो ज्यो इंडस्ट्रीज आशिल्ल्यो हे वर्कर्सांक आपणाचे एक्सप्लॉइट करताले. They used to make the workers work for 15, 16 hours a day. तांकां रेस्ट मेळनासलो. It was having a strain on their lives and on the lives of their families. तांणी सगळे एक जावन तेन्ना सोशल मिडिया नाशिल्ले, मोबायल नाशिल्ले, इंटरनेट नाशिल्ले. You can imagine how they came together, maybe writing letters over a period of months, years. आणि तांणी एक जावन एक अपील केलें सरकारांक की you should bring a law that workers should not be made to work for more than 8 hours. ताज्या उपरांत 1889 मार्क्सिस्ट इंटरनॅशनल सोशलिस्ट काँग्रेस हांणी एक रेझोल्युशन पास केली सगळ्या सरकारांक वर्ल्ड ओवर that 1st May should be declared as International Labour Day, and also workers should not be made to work for more than 8 hours a day throughout the year. आता आमचे इंडियाच्या सायडीक पासून एक ल्हानशी हिस्ट्री आसा which goes back to 1923 in Chennai. मलयापुरम चेट्टियार हो एक लीडर आशिल्लो, कम्युनिस्ट लीडर. तेन्ना लेबर पार्टी ऑफ हिंदुस्तान म्हण आशिल्ली. तांचे कडच्यान तांणी अपील केलें त्या सरकाराक. तेन्ना ब्रिटिशर आशिल्ले, रूल करताले इंडिया. आनी तांकां अपील करून सांगलें that you have to protect the interest of the workers. Workers should not be made to work for more than 8 hours a day. आणि 1st May should be declared as Labor Day. आणि तेन्ना सरकारान एक्सेप्ट केलें. आमी आयज एप्रिशिएट करता सगळे वर्कर्सांक that they are actually the real backbone of India's economy. Be it the industrial sector, the medical sector, pharmaceutical sector, shipping sector, infrastructure, name it, and you will recognize and accept that workers form the backbone of these industries. Eyes looking at Goa today, we recognize the services of the medical fraternity. आयज आमचे दोतोर आसा, आमचे नर्सी आसा, आमचे मेडिकल वर्कर्स जे आसा, they have become the front line fighters against this COVID pandemic. आमी तांकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी at the same time आमकां कळून आयिल्लें आसा that a whole lot of families who have lost their loved ones, in some cases they have taken their anger, given vent to the anger on the medical fraternity. We appeal to them to try and understand the plight of these doctors. If there is lack of infrastructure in the medical sector in Goa, it is not the fault of the doctors. It is solely the fault of this government which is in power. वो सरकार जो आसा most inefficient, most corrupt. They have failed. तांकां expertsan सांगुल्लें that the second wave is coming. म्हळ्यार वो सरकार was hand in gloves with the casino lobby. They were hand in glove with the night clubs. ह्या मिनिस्टरांच्या भुरग्यांकडे पासून नाईट क्लब आशिल्लो. आणि हो सरकार instead of setting up and getting ready for the second wave, they were running to the center and they asked for 200 crores to celebrate the 60th Liberation Day of Goa. Instead, the center gave them 300 crores. हांव ह्या सरकाराक विचारूंक सोदता, what happened to those 300 crores? Was it used in lighting the bridges? What did you do? Putting up billboards? Inviting some film stars? I appeal to the government, come to your senses. आयज पासून तुम्ही फेल जाल्ले आसा. Call a team of doctors, set up an experts group and tell them to advise you how to tackle this pandemic. हांव आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांकूय अपील करता की आमी एकामेकाचो हात धरया. Let us hold each other's hand and let us ensure that our families and the whole of Goa remain safe and secure. जय गोवा, जय हिंद.